When you are working on a learning task, for example, a PowerPoint presentation, it's important to think about the quality of your work. Now, there are some clear and simple ways of determining that quality, and a rubric is probably the best way of doing this. Let's take that PowerPoint presentation as an example of how to use the rubric key. You need to decide on two things. One is to work out the specific skills you need to use when you do the task, and to write them down at the side of your rubric. For the PowerPoint, that could include the visual impact of the slides and the quality of the information on the slides. Then two, write out the standards for each of those skills and place them along the top. These standards can go from poor to okay to sensational, although numbers or letters can be used. So, if we're talking about your standards for your skill with using visual impact, then they could be: for poor, uninteresting images with no impact at all. For okay, it could be reasonable images that indicate what you're talking about. And sensational could be images that grab everyone's attention and reinforce what you're saying. Just thinking about standards is a thinking challenge in itself. After all, what's poor work? What's excellent work? And how do you describe these? They're powerful questions. And once you clarify the difference between excellent and poor work, it then helps you to develop your best possible effort. So here's one for you right now. The best novels somehow encourage you to want to read them. So write out some descriptions for 4 standards, such as not a chance, perhaps, pretty keen, can't put it down, and then rate the next 10 novels that you see.